Welcome back, and on today's video I'll be showing you how I got stopped out at break even today. I made like, I think 55 bucks or something like that. Pretty much just a break even day. I think the reason why we had some choppy price action was because we have FOMC later. But I didn't realize that till I, got into it. So first thing I see on NASDAQ is that we have a liquidity sweep. Right now it is currently 8:50 in the morning. We have a liquidity sweep and we get a pretty strong move down. And so I form my equilibrium. We get equilibrium and 79%. I also notice that we start reacting off this 79% decently well. And we start moving down. And pretty much what I'm looking for is to take out at least this low as my first partials. And on ES, we kind of just now went into this 5-minute gap right here, sweeping all this stuff. So we're just now getting that, and it looks like we're kind of respecting a gap right here. So I go on NQ, and I go down to the 1-minute time frame, and I notice that we are actually in this 1-minute gap, and we need to inverse this 1-minute gap right here. So for me to enter, I kind of want to respect this gap on NASDAQ and break through here to target at least this low. So that's what I'm really looking for right now. And I'm only targeting this low at first because it's been choppy all day. And that's just like the first part that I would go off of. So we start respecting it, and then we inverse this gap. So I actually do a short position. My first take profit right here. And I have my stop loss up here. Going down to the 5-minute. And the 1 hour. And, I'm targeting all this as well. So this one was kind of just like my first take profit right here. And these would be my later ones. So as you see, we absolutely dump through. So I go break even. And I think since this one was so close and I'm doing short or small contracts, I've been trading a little bit less, not less, but less amount of contracts because I'm on an express now. And I kind of want to have that good risk management. And I don't know if you guys see my last video, I've been in my head a lot and I've been over trading because I'm on a new express account. So I take my first partial here, make like 50 bucks or something like that, and we kind of get a crazy thing, and I get stopped at break even here. I mean, as you see, we kind of just use this, go higher, go back to this 1 hour gap. I'm pretty sure there's a 1 hour gap right here. Yeah, come back to this 1 hour gap. We tap into it, and then we come back down. And it's just kind of chop city today. I'm not going to lie. I think ES went down more. Yeah, ES came down all the way to these lows. Never mind, there wasn't even lows on here. But it tapped into that gap, and then that's what made us want to go up for the rest of the day. But I did catch a small little trade right here. Made like 55 bucks. That's pretty much it. Really choppy day. Kind of didn't know what direction I really wanted. Because at first we came here. And we boomed down after that liquidity sweep. I'm like, alright, maybe we just want to sweep these out and then we'll get our move up. And then we went up out of nowhere. Swept this again. Came back down. It was just a eventful day. A lot of patience required for today. And like I said, I even caught something small. Not really even worth it to trade today, but That's what we're here for. We're here to trade. Anyways, that's how I made 55 bucks trading NQ as a, I'm not going to say unprofitable trader, but semi-profitable trader. Peace.